That is what we want right there. Look there. That is good stuff. Talking about good stuff, you need to watch our video on the best baked beans. Man, that's the quickest and simplest way anybody can make those beans. Homestead. Today we're going to smoke some ribs. Real quick and simple. Well, it's not quick, but it is simple. So we just got some ribs. Okay, they're like a St. Louis style where they cut the excess meat off, but they're not quite baby backs. So basically, what I do, I'm gonna have these ribs sitting out at room temperature. If I'm gonna cook at lunchtime, I'll put them out that morning. Just leave them out, let them get to room temperature. Now we'll take the silver skin off, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so here's that silver skin, and you don't have to take this off. You can see that's what we're talking about, is that silver skin on the back. Easiest way, take a paper towel. Here we go. See how that's coming off? And it takes a few minutes, but it just makes a better product. It's not as bad. So here we go. Taking this off. See how that comes off? So that's what you got. That's the silver skin. Okay, so we got our silver skin off. So now we're just going to prep them. And when I say prep, we're just going to put our rub on there. And I'm just using a bulk rub, you know, and I kind of like it. It's called this Rib Ninja. I like it. But put your favorite rub on there. And sometime, you know, I'll go light, sometimes I go heavier on the back side, which is what I'm on now, the bone side. You know, I don't waste a lot of my rub on that side. But just get it a little covered. Now, I'm gonna hit it real heavy on this side. I want it coated down. Pat it down. Now you don't want to put your rub on here too early. You want to put it on there about 30 minutes before you're ready to put it on the fire. Because if you don't, it's going to sit there, it's going to pull a lot of the moisture out of this meat. If you do it before then, okay? Just say you do it an hour or two before, it's going to start pulling a lot of your moisture out. We don't want that. We want to lock that moisture in for when it's on the smoker. So you can see we got a rub on there. Man, it looks real nice. Looks good. So the plan is we'll put it on the smoker, 250 degrees. I'm using apple and hickory. I'll mix and match. My go-to is apple. And while we're on there, we're going to spritz this with apple juice, okay? And you don't have to do that. It's just something I like doing. Just remember, I don't think you can put too much of this stuff on there. So, here we go. Grill's ready. Let's go stick them on. All right, so you see now we're at 250. Beautiful blue smoke, or no smoke is the best smoke. So we got our wood going. Look there. Good stuff. Let's throw these bad boys on the smoker. So here we go. We got our ribs. And the way I like to do it, I put the thicker part toward the fire. And I like to put them up top. Now we'll just keep this temp at around 250, and you don't have to stress yourself out about keeping it 250. If it gets up to 300 for a little while, that's okay. If it gets down to 200 for a little while, that's okay. But the constant is we want to try to keep around 250 degrees. All right, so here we are. I said we was gonna spritz this with a little apple juice. Don't fill this whole bottle up with apple juice. You're gonna just waste it. Just a little bit. And about every 30-45 minutes, just spray a little bit. And that's all we're doing. Just spraying a little bit. Good to go. But it's been over 30 minutes and our fire is getting down. See, it don't take much, but I'll take a handful of my wood, these wood chunks, and we're just gonna throw them in there. Shut the door. We'll just keep an eye on this temperature again. That's all part of the fun. All right, so these ribs have been on for about 4 hours. It's getting dark on us, as you can see, which is all fine. So we're gonna grab these back. Oh, look at that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this, just put a little foil over the top, and I'm gonna rest these ribs maybe 30 minutes. We're just gonna let them take it easy, kind of rest. All right, so we've let our ribs rest. We're gonna uncover them here. They are looking right, looking right. All right, so now we got you got a good view of what's going on here. And then, like, they've been resting. So, take a little cut. Yeah, boy. Look there. That is what we want right there. Look there. That is good stuff. Talking about good stuff, you need to watch our video on the best baked beans. Man, that's the quickest and simplest way anybody can make those beans. So as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.